name's Mariah Boyle. I was doing a collage and drawing workshop today. We were working with a project where people were doing 2 pieces of collage or more on their drawing, and then they were drawing them sort of together to create movement and rhythm using mixed materials.
Love that. Is that you? That is. That's
awesome. We also had a free drawing board for people to draw on as they were walking down the street. We had a lot of different people stop by to draw with us today.
One side, like one side.
On behalf of the Spokane Arts School, thank you, Spokane Arts, for the SAGA grant that made this workshop possible.